All right. So
This was amazing. Thank you.
awesome. Awesome. What if I told you that the only thing that's holding you back right now in your business from experiencing the success that you rightfully deserve, getting the results that you need, getting the clients and the revenue that you need for your business, it has nothing to do with a lack of discipline. It has nothing to do with a lack of strategy. It has nothing to do with a lack of willpower and motivation. But it actually comes down to one simple thing. You were programmed to fail. That's right, you heard that correctly. You were set up to fail. You were programmed to fail. And it's not anything that you have done. It's not anything that you brought upon yourself. It was something that was specifically done to you. And that's the reason why you're wrestling with things such as procrastination, perfectionism, why you self-sabotage every time opportunity comes your way. That's the reason why you find it difficult to actually do the things you know you're supposed to do. You have all of the strategies, all of the information, all of the knowledge, but you just can't put yourself out there. You find it hard to actually act on that information. That's the reason why you're feeling held back and you're feeling stuck. That's because you were specifically programmed to fail. You see, this programming started in you when you were just a little child. Before you even had any awareness of what was taking place, of the messaging that you were receiving about yourself, of the limiting beliefs that were being stored up in your subconscious mind. And that's the reason why I said it's not your fault. It's not something that you did, it's something that was done to you. But what if I told you that that programming can also change? That's right, it can change. And when that programming changes, everything else will change. Your results will change. Your habits will change. The way that you see yourself will change. And these changes will happen not because of force, not because of more discipline, not because of some productivity hack, not because you went and you practiced time management skills or try to create a new set of habits, not because of grinding and hustling more, all because you simply changed that inner programming. And that's what I want to teach you how to do in this live masterclass that I'm offering, and it's entitled the Abundance Mindset Reset Masterclass. And in this masterclass, I'm going to show you how to identify the internal programming that's been secretly sabotaging your results in your business. And not only that, but I'm going to show you what to do about it. So if you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on the link in the description of this video and sign up for this free masterclass, because this is definitely going to be the greatest hour of your week. Trust me when I tell you. So go ahead and get started. Click on the link in the description of this video, and I can't wait to see you in the classroom.